Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the DoneDeal application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the one of the cars that you would like to get a notification about, and after that you should click on this notify me button. Here you should select the name of your search and tap on whether you want to get notified on this search, yes, daily alerts or no alerts. Click on the button save, thereby saving the notifications so when similar ads are posted. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.